Your credit card applications on your Commonwealth Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can view your credit card applications on your CommBank. So to do that, first of all, open the CommBank app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where if you want to see your credit card application, which you have applied to, simply go to search and then type in credit card application. After that, the option will come at the top saying My Credit Card Application. Tap on it. After that, it will provide you a list of all of the different credit card applications you have on your account so far. So simply tap on the one which you'd like to access. And now once you've done that, you will be able to see the status of your credit card application from your CommBank app. And if you have to upload more documents, you can do so. If you want to cancel this, you can do so and stuff like that. So that is basically how you view your credit card applications on your CommBank app. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.